Today we're making a mulberry crisp, and I'm going to walk you step by step how to do this, as well as provide a recipe at the very end of this video. Step number one is pick your mulberries, and it's always good to have some mulberry pickers at the ready, especially if they know that the mulberry crisp is coming. We're going to go ahead and de-stem these, and the best way to do this is to sit down with your bride in the morning during coffee time and peel those off one at a time while she makes money. Before we add our mulberries to our crisp dish, we are going to add a little bit of cornstarch, and then we're going to add our granulated sugar. We'll give this a mix so it is all fully incorporated, and then we will pack our fruit into our crisp dish. After that, we're then going to mix our crisp layer, which is going to be a combination of oats, flour, brown sugar, and butter, or in this case, we're using margarine. We're going to mix up all of this in a bowl until we get a cookie dough-like consistency, and then we're going to spread this thinly across the top of our crisp dish. I want to make sure that I have got my oven heating up to 350 degrees. We're also going to set a timer for 30 minutes, and after that 30 minutes, we're going to check our crisp layer to make sure it is, well, crispy. We're getting our chores done before we get to enjoy this crisp. That way we stay motivated. Anytime my bride brings out one of these crisps, it is always a favorite amongst our family, and it never lasts very long. Now that you know the steps, get ready for the recipe in 3, 2, 1. This is Crabman, and Crabman would have told you that he appreciated you watching our video and that he hopes that we've earned your subscription, but he's also a very polite pig and knows not to talk with his mouth full.